Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you try to follow someone or try to like video, and if you try to do something on Instagram and showing this type of error, try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. So how can you fix this issue? Just simply close this page. So if you are facing this type of error, it means you violate some community guidelines of Instagram. That's why you're facing this type of error. So if you want to solve this problem, just simply open Instagram and you have to tap on your profile. Then you have to tap on three lines, then go to setting. Let me tell you that you have to send your feedback to Instagram that you don't break any terms and condition. Just simply go to report a problem. So you have to take screenshot of your problem first. Okay guys, just simply tap on screenshot and it will redirect to your gallery. Then you have to select that screenshot from your gallery, and after that you have to briefly explain about your problem. Okay guys, if you're facing this type of problem, so I have already copied and given in the description as well. Hello dear Instagram team, I'm facing the error as per screenshot. Please fix my problem as soon as possible. I will be grateful to you. Guys, just simply tap on send. So tap on send and your request will be sent to Snapchat. Your request will be sent to Instagram team, and they'll fix your problem as soon as possible. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.